Good morning, YouTube. I hope you guys had a good sleep. Just woke up. I woke up like this. So I'm about to write my grab 2, day 2, staying consistent. I'm writing what I'm grateful for. So day 2, today is July 25th. I am grateful for my eyes. I am grateful for my parents. I am grateful for my car, Blossom. I gotta write 3 affirmations. I am a multimillionaire. Multi-millionaire. I earn multiple streams of income. I have great ideas. Those are the information today. Stay tuned. I'm about to do my to-do list and you already know, Weezy out of here. I'm back. All right, so I just wrote my to-do list. Today is Tuesday the 25th. So today I got a morning routine. I'm in the middle of doing it. Gym. I gotta upload my YouTube video. I gotta vacuum my car, clean out my car. My car looks filthy. Go to the library, go to network, and I gotta pay some bills today. Some bills. Being grown, I gotta pay some bills. I'm about to start getting ready. Well, I got one more thing to do. I got a journal. Drink some coffee. Well, it's not really coffee, it's cappuccino. And this cappuccino get me up. So I'm about to write my journal from within. And the question that today, have you ever loved someone who didn't love you back? What did that teach you about love? I don't know if I can answer that, because whoever loved me, of course, whoever I love, they love me back. Because I'm such a genuine person and my energy speaks for itself. Whoever know me, I'm like, yo, I love you. Because I'm so generous. I'm Naima. Who wouldn't love you? Unless you're a hater. Shit, that's the answer then. Let me get into it. Alright, we on our way to the gym right now. Start our day. You already know. Say hi. I don't know why I took him so long to say hi, but I'm about to go to the gym. Stay tuned. I'm walking to Planet Fitness right now. It's beautiful out here. but it's not beautiful enough to stay outside. Only just like walk outside, go to school, go back in car. It's a beautiful day outside in the neighborhood. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. About to get my workout on. You feel me? Weezy out of here. I just finished working out. I'm about to make me some breakfast and take a shower, get ready for the day. Stay tuned. Yeah, I'm about to tear this up. Gotta add some product to this shit, cause can't have a late bun with pretty hair. I don't go. No, no. It's like that. Like that. Bam. 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 Ooh, bam. Bam. Shazam. Like, damn, she in her mood. That's how you get a suit. Ponytail, like, product on all angles, all sizes. You feel me? Do one more time. Second. That bow. Look at that bow. What's that? Alright, start over. Bam. Then you're gonna scrunchie this right here. Like, bam. Then you're gonna do it again. You could put the bun like that. Then that's how I'm doing it today. Oh, that's how I be getting my ponytail. If I want the, you know, the bang, gang, 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 gang. Take the bang. It's gonna be too much bang. Not that much ponytail. You don't want a lot of bang and a little, you know, a lot of bang and a little ponytail. Just gonna be like, bam, 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 bam. And this can't be bang. I could do a bang, but it's gonna be a lot of bang. There's too much bang. Like Pikachu. Something cute and fancy. Something cute and fancy, classy. Nothing trashy. There you go. Wrap this little piece around. Bring it around town. Bring it around. Just like that. Pony ain't going nowhere. Boop, still there. Boop, still there. Stop playing with me. It's giving top notch work. When you know how to do your own hair, like, stop playing. Then you know you gotta do the edges. Make sure the back looking like that. Then you're gonna have to comb out them edges. Edges real quick. I don't even know what my edge brush at, to be honest. I think I left it at my client's house. last time I seen it at my aunt's house. Do you? Today, the middle going this way. So, we're gonna go around town. I'm just gonna, boop. That's how you do them fancy edges. I know it look white on the camera. All you gotta do is apply that pressure so that product can settle in. Then the way this going. Lately, I've been doing mad dramatic edges because let's keep it. Little ridges. Damn. Oh, that's not, nah. That don't look right. I'm going to this out. I'm going to do this out too. I'm going to type. Every time you do your hair, make sure you do your makeup after. Or you don't have to do your makeup after, but just don't do your hair after you do makeup because it's not gonna look right. It's the makeup that's on your face and then the product that you're gonna apply to your hair is gonna look tacky. And this is getting on my eyebrow. I'm like just getting on my eyebrows, just getting on my eyelashes, I mean. In order to get better, you gotta start showing up like the person that you wanna become. Do whatever that makes you feel good. Come on, baby. Yeah. Doing my hair, my makeup, no. As long as my hair is done and my eyebrows look good, I feel good. I do what makes me feel good. I love to make other people feel good as well. I'm gonna blend that in because it's looking like too much eyebrows. I want that natural look, not that it's blunt, too blunt. I definitely. I don't even add that much foundation on my skin, so I hope this don't give me a hard time trying to take it off tonight. You gotta make sure you bring this shit to the car. Right now, fucking up my eyebrows. Nah, I just messed up my eyebrows. Set that in, baby. Oh, I gotta blend that shit a little more. I'm about to straighten up my car, take out everything from the back seat. Then I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm on my way to the vacuum place so I can vacuum my car. I got mad dirt in my car. These dirt fields out here. Dead grass. I got food for the horses. Today is 95 degrees. So I just made it to the vacuum place. I'm about to vacuum my car first, then have it rinsed. Alright, let me get straight to it. Do it. I'm estimating this is like, look. Look how fast. My car looking like no shoes allowed. So, no shoes allowed in my car. Clean. So make sure you wipe them hands off too. Have to all that cleaning shit. Hands clean. Gotta put some lotion on. Oh, that was a lot of work. I don't know how people work in the sun like that. Boy, I think I burned a couple calories. It's recommended to take 2 showers a day. Wipe, so make sure that ass clean. Wipe it down. I'm out of here. I'm walking to the library right now. Let's get my learn on. Do some research. Do some working. I feel like when I change my environment, other than home, I get more work done. Open sesame. I just left the library. I got a lot done. I was so productive. I'm at Walmart right now. You already know I'm about to start getting some groceries, some stuff that I really don't need, but I'm gonna cook tonight. I'm cooking. So stay tuned when I'm cooking. I'm about to unpack. Hey beauties, it's the end of the day. I'm about to do some reading. I'm reading Start With Why. It basically tells you people don't buy you what you have. They buy why you do it. That's like I sell oil. Why you sell oil? To nourish the hair, so your hair could provide growth for you. I'm still gotta find a why on my other projects. So when I discover and figure out my why, I will remain going. I don't know. I don't know if that makes sense. But beauties, I'm about to lock into this book, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.